Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future with DeepSeek. I'm talking about how you can use this crazy, powerful AI to make serious bank in 2025. We're talking life-changing money here, people. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. Forget the grind. With DeepSeek, you're done with the starving artist thing. DeepSeek digs through the entire internet, finds the best freelance projects in your field, and tells you exactly what to do to land them. No more lowball offers. DeepSeek helps you negotiate like a pro and get paid top dollar for your skills. Imagine landing a dream project that pays 5 figures, all thanks to DeepSeek. DeepSeek even helps you build your portfolio and reputation so you can charge even more over time. This is next level freelancing, people. Ready to ditch your boss and become your own CEO? DeepSeek is the secret weapon you've been waiting for. Ever thought about sharing your knowledge and getting paid for it? Online courses are booming, and DeepSeek can help you create a course that's more addictive than a phone. I'm talking about courses people actually want to buy, not some boring lectures. DeepSeek analyzes trends, figures out what people are dying to learn, and helps you craft the perfect course. It's like having a team of marketing geniuses working behind the scenes, ensuring your course is a viral sensation. DeepSeek helps you market your course to the right audience, so you're not wasting time or money on people who aren't interested. With DeepSeek, you can become the next online guru, inspiring others and securing your financial future. Now let's talk about the stock market. It can be intimidating, right? But with DeepSeek, it's like having a crystal ball that actually works. DeepSeek analyzes market trends, company data, and even news sentiment to predict stock movements with crazy accuracy. Forget those shady investment gurus. DeepSeek is like having Warren Buffett whispering stock tips in your ear. It identifies undervalued stocks that are about to skyrocket, so you can invest early and ride the wave to massive profits. And if you're nervous about risk, DeepSeek can help you build a diversified portfolio that minimizes losses and maximizes gains. Don't just dream about early retirement, make it a reality with DeepSeek's stock market mastery. Got an online store? Want to make it rain sales? DeepSeek is about to become your new best friend. DeepSeek turns your e-commerce store into a finely tuned sales machine. It analyzes customer data, identifies your ideal customers, and personalizes their shopping experience. Imagine your customers finding exactly what they want, even if they didn't know they wanted it. It optimizes your product listings, prices, and even your website design to make sure every visitor converts into a paying customer. We're talking about doubling, tripling, even quadrupling your sales with DeepSeek's e-commerce magic. Ready to watch your sales skyrocket? DeepSeek is the secret ingredient your e-commerce business needs. YouTubers, bloggers, and content creators, listen up! DeepSeek is about to change the game forever. Struggling to come up with fresh content ideas? DeepSeek is your creative muse. DeepSeek analyzes trending topics, keywords, and even audience engagement to generate content ideas that are guaranteed to go viral. It's like having a direct line to the internet's collective brain, knowing exactly what people want to see, read, and share. DeepSeek helps you optimize your content for search engines so you get more views, subscribers, and followers than ever before. Get ready to become the next viral sensation, raking in views and building a loyal following. DeepSeek is the ultimate content creation tool, giving you the power to captivate the world with your ideas. Want to get into real estate but don't know where to start? DeepSeek is your secret weapon for finding hidden gems and making a killing in the real estate market. Forget those overpriced Zillow listings. DeepSeek digs deeper, analyzing market trends, property values, and even neighborhood demographics to identify properties with the highest profit potential. DeepSeek can help you find undervalued properties, predict future appreciation rates, and even estimate rental income. We're talking about building a real estate empire, one smart investment at a time. Ready to trade in your landlord for a life of luxury? DeepSeek is the key to unlocking your real estate dreams. Affiliate marketing can be a goldmine, but finding the right products and programs can feel impossible. With DeepSeek, it's like having a team of expert marketers handing you winning products on a silver platter. DeepSeek analyzes thousands of affiliate programs, identifies the highest paying offers, and even helps you target the right audience for maximum conversions. Imagine promoting products that practically sell themselves, generating passive income while you sleep. That's the power of DeepSeek's affiliate marketing mastery. Get ready to watch your affiliate commissions soar, as DeepSeek connects you with the most lucrative programs and products in your niche. Cryptocurrency can feel like the Wild West, but with DeepSeek, you'll be the sheriff. DeepSeek takes the guesswork out of crypto trading, analyzing market trends, news sentiment, and even social media buzz to predict price movements with incredible accuracy. It's like having a team of crypto experts working around the clock, making sure you're always ahead of the game. DeepSeek can help you identify promising altcoins before they explode, manage your risk effectively, and maximize your profits in the volatile world of crypto. We're talking about turning a small investment into a life-changing sum. Ready to join the crypto revolution? DeepSeek is your ticket to crypto success. Want to build a massive social media following but feel like you're shouting into the void? DeepSeek is about to turn you into a social media superstar. DeepSeek takes the guesswork out of social media, analyzing your audience, identifying the best times to post, and even crafting engaging content that gets people talking. Imagine your followers multiplying overnight, your engagement skyrocketing, and your brand becoming a household name. DeepSeek can help you schedule posts, track your analytics, and even automate your entire social media strategy, freeing up your time so you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing content. Get ready to become a social media influencer, commanding attention and building a loyal following with DeepSeek by your side. DeepSeek is the ultimate tool for social media domination. Want to get paid big bucks for your expertise? DeepSeek can help you build a thriving consulting business, even if you're just starting out. DeepSeek helps you identify the hottest industries, connect with potential clients, and even develop winning proposals. Imagine charging premium rates for your knowledge, working with high-profile clients, and becoming a thought leader in your field. DeepSeek can help you research industry trends, analyze competitor data, and even craft compelling presentations that win over clients. It's like having a team of business analysts working behind the scenes, ensuring your consulting business thrives. Ready to share your expertise and rake in the cash? DeepSeek is the secret weapon you need to build a successful consulting empire. DeepSeek, your ticket to a rich 2025. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future-focused content. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, investor, or just looking for ways to make extra cash, DeepSeek has something for you. So what are you waiting for? The future is waiting and it's time to cash in. See you next time.